What's up guys, Fivalosayo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made 62% return on investment trading the forex market in 9 days. So I funded my trading account with $122, grew it to $195 in 9 days, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now before I proceed, the truth is trading the forex market involves a level of risk. You could lose all your investment or you could double it, and I would not recommend you trade with real money if you're new to forex. Now that's out of the way, let me tell you the broker I use, which is OctaFX, and why it's so important to pick the right broker. Now to trade the forex market you need a broker. I use OctaFX because they have the lowest spread. For those that don't know what a spread is, well, a spread is the difference between the buy and sell price. For example, if you want to buy USD, the price is 500 Naira for 1 USD, and if you want to sell, the price is 490 Naira for 1 USD. That 10 Naira difference is called the spread. The execution speed on OctaFX is fast. Execution speed is just a fancy way of saying OctaFX will buy or sell your order really fast. Trust me, you don't want to have a broker that has a slow execution speed. It will just frustrate you. OctaFX doesn't charge fees for depositing or withdrawing your funds, and one of the major reasons I chose OctaFX is I can fund my trading account through the local banks here in Nigeria. So just make a transfer and you're good to go. Now guys, when you fund your account, you get 50% deposit bonus. That's 50% deposit bonus on each deposit, which you can't withdraw until you meet the required trading volume. I know. Now another important thing is OctaFX isn't a small company. They're celebrating their 10-year anniversary. If you look around, there are not a lot of forex companies that have survived this long. Now that you know the right broker to use, it's time to open a trading account. To open a trading account, click on the link in the description of this video to go to the OctaFX website. Click on open account at the top of the screen, and you will need to enter your first name, your last name, email, and preferred password. To complete your registration, you will need to confirm your email address. A link will be sent to your email, and after that you will need to provide more information like your country, your state, your address, telephone number, and date of birth. Now the next step is you need to choose the type of account and parameters, and for this I picked MT5 as it has more instruments to trade. Now I picked the real account as I'll be trading live and have plenty of experience trading the forex market. You can pick the demo account if you're new to trading. Basically, a demo account is essentially trading with fake money, while a real account is you need to fund it with your own money. Now for the real account, click on make a deposit, select the method you want to transfer the money. For this I use the local bank transfer method to make my deposit. Select and enter the amount you want to deposit. In my case, I'll be depositing $100, which is around 50,000 Naira. Now to make the funds you want to deposit reflect faster in your trading account, you will have to enter the deposit account as the payment comment. You would also have to make sure that the name you provided OctaFX in opening account is the same name as the name of your bank account. Notify OctaFX that you've made the deposit, and in 1 to 3 hours the funds should reflect in your trading account. In my case, it only took 22 minutes for the funds to reflect in my trading account. Now for those wanting to open a demo account, it's the same process. Once you've entered all your information and you have gotten to this part, on the right side of the screen, click on trading account and click on open demo account. Select the type of account and click on open account at the bottom, and congrats, you have opened a demo account to start trading. Now please take note of your account number and your password, as you will need that information to log in with your smartphone if you decide to trade or monitor your trades via your Android smartphone. Like I said, it only took me 22 minutes for the funds to reflect in my real trading account, and now it's time to make some money or lose some money. Now check this out, the currency pair I chose to trade is the Great British Pound and Japanese Yen, and that is one volatile currency pair. As you can see from the chart, the currency pair has been on a downwards trend, and using the trend lines I figured it's about to go up. At 151.296 I bought, and all of a sudden the price crashed. Now this is where money management is very important. After crying a bit and watching my money fade away, I was convinced that using this trend line, that price would go up. I set up my stop loss and watched the position for 9 days, and in the end I won. I made $73.48 Mama, I made it. Poverty die. I'm rich. Now guys, a newbie to Forex would have most likely have closed that trade and taken the loss, but I didn't do that, and that's because I did my research and I've studied the markets. If you're new to trading Forex, I would highly recommend you learn everything there is to know to become a successful and profitable trader. You should go to the analysis and education tab on the OctaFX website, watch all the pre-recorded webinars they have, and after that, you can practice what you've learned and trade using a demo account. They even have a new Forex course with your favorite celebrities teaching you how to trade. Wait, so Tokamak is trading, Bovie is trading. These rich people should leave this money for us now. You guys are rich. Leave this small money for us. Now, for those that have to go to work and can't sit in front of a screen looking at charts all day, you can trade or monitor your trade via the OctaFX trading app available on the Google Play Store. To download the app, follow the link in the description of this video. You can also open the Google Play Store, search and install the OctaFX trading app, log in with your account details, and now you should be able to see the available currency pairs and other instruments on your smartphone. Also, if you tap this briefcase icon, you'll see your open trades with the profit or loss that you're making. So guys, in conclusion, trading the Forex market is hard. You need to be patient, you need to understand the market, you need to have a plan, set your stop loss, set your take profits. Guys, it's hard. But the thing is, once you've taken the time and learn how to trade the right way, everything becomes smooth sailing. It becomes easy. As I said, you can find the resources on how to trade properly on the OctaFX website. Go through all of them, and while you're studying on how to become a profitable trader, I would recommend you open a demo account and practice. Guys, trading involves a level of risk, and you could lose all your investment or you could double your investment, but with the right education, you can succeed. So guys, I'll be giving away $195, which is what I grew my trading account to two lucky people, and that's what's $97 each. All you have to do is open an OctaFX account, use the promo code VALOR100, leave a comment in this video saying that you've opened your OctaFX account using the promo code, and I will select 2 random people in the comment section. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook for updates. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Valor, signing out. Hello, Aliko. I can't borrow you money now because I started making money on Forex. You want me to borrow you money? Now, wow. I beg, leave. I'm making a video. Bye-bye. Can you imagine? Because I started making money on Forex, everybody's calling me. Small money somebody's making, people want to collect it. Better go and learn how to trade Forex. Oh, Bobs, how does Visayo do it? It won't kill me. See, if you want to be rich in this life, just buy a turtleneck. I mean, ideas will just be flowing in your head. You just be making money. Fiam. Hello, CBN governor. No. I can't give you my dollars. Please don't touch my money. No, I cannot borrow the country my money. Me that I'm trading. You want me to come and borrow Nigeria money? Please, please don't touch my money. Go and trade. Go and open up OctaFX account. Go and open OctaFX. Don't disturb me for money. Now, wow. Small money now. Now everybody is begging.